In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I synced all these Stickman images to the voiceover with one single click. And yes, you heard that correctly. No bullshit, no manual dragging, and no wasting hours in a video editor. Most creators show you how to bulk generate images, but they never show you the whole syncing process to the audio with hundreds of clips which can take hours. I'm going to show you how to actually do it in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. I've already prepared my assets, and I have 117 images here that I bulk generated using TurboFlow. Now, instead of dragging these one by one into a timeline, we're heading over to syncframe.video to import all images. If you're new here, SyncFrame is a tool built specifically for faceless creators to speed up their video production. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up right now for free and get 10,000 credits to test a full project from end to end exactly as we are doing today. SyncFrame lets you connect your ElevenLabs API directly, so you can generate the voice and the alignment at the exact same time. But first, there is one crucial part before that, which is the script segments. This is the foundation for the sync. You need to tell the system exactly which part of the script corresponds to each image. To make this easy, I have a specific prompt for Claude to get these. As you can see here, the prompt tells Claude to break the script into segments. I chose approximately 8 words per segment with logical breaks. Simply paste the prompt into the chat with your full script and it will start to divide it right away. Now, if you want to know how to use Claude to find viral video topics, write your full script, generate visual prompts for each segment, and even create the perfect thumbnail, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Later this week, we're posting a full walkthrough on creating a Stickman video from scratch. Also, make sure to join our brand new free SyncFrame Academy on School. That's where you'll get access to all our prompts and the best workflows. Now, back to Claude. It's finished, and as you can see, it spits out everything in a code block which I can easily copy and paste into the SyncFrame workspace. Since my ElevenLabs API is already connected, I just pick my favorite voice and hit Generate Voice and Alignment, and when it's done, all 117 segments are perfectly aligned with the audio. Now we export. I'm going to include captions and set them to 4 words per line for that fast-paced style. Download the project zip, extract it, and open DaVinci Resolve, which, by the way, is completely free to download and fully compatible with our workflow. Once you're in a new project, simply go to File, then Import, and select Timeline. Locate and import the timeline file from your SyncFrame project folder. Keep the default settings as they are and press OK. DaVinci will then ask you to locate the clips. Press Yes. Find the project folder once again. Select the entire folder and click OK. And just like that, your whole video is finished, saving you a ton of time. For the final tweaks, I'll import the captions, change the style to my liking, and add some zoom effects to the images. Our tool is a complete game changer for faceless channels because it allows you to focus purely on creating good images and videos while fully automating the last step of the process. If you want to start automating your workflow today, head over to syncframe.video. You can also use our promo code to get 25% off any paid plan. And of course, don't forget to join our free school community to get all the latest prompts and workflows. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.